Shall do problem number 14 under the chapter Accounts of Not-for-Profit Organization. Okay, what is given or what we are supposed to prepare? How will the following appear in the final accounts of Marthandam Women Cultural Association? So you should remember that the final account under this chapter not for profit organization consists of two parts. One income and expenditure account, other one is the balance sheet. So the final accounts under this chapter consists of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Since the question is prepare final accounts, we need not prepare always both the accounts, that is income and expenditure account and balance sheet. For the items given, what should be prepared, we should go through and find that alone can be prepared for this problem. The items given in this problem are related to the items given in this problem are related to sports materials. So we should prepare only the income and expenditure account first, then we shall pass on to the balance sheet. First we shall prepare the income and expenditure account. 14 is related to Marthandam Women Cultural Association. Marthandam Women Cultural Association. Income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Since this is an account, we should write debtor and creditor. We can write the heading now. When we write the name of the account, we will write income and expenditure. But while we are writing inside the box, we should write expenditure, this debit side, that is left hand side, and on the right hand side income, that is credit side. Expenditure, income. This sports materials used or consumed, we should write. It is like an expense. Sports materials consumed. Sports material consumed. Under this, stock on 2018, 16,000. And purchased the amount of purchase of sports materials 84,000. So the total amount of materials available must be 1 lakh. Less stock, that is closing stock on 31/3/19, 10,000. Therefore, the amount of sports materials used or consumed is 90,000. What we must write? We are preparing the income and expenditure account as on 31/3/2019. The same thing for balance sheet also. 31/3/2019. Okay, what should be written under the balance sheet? The closing stock of sports material on this date. What is the amount of sports materials available on this date? Stock of sports materials on 31/3/19, 10,000. So, under this problem 14, you are supposed to prepare final accounts. The final account consists of two parts. One is income and expenditure account and the other one is the balance sheet. Under income and expenditure, the sports materials consumed or used must be written there. It is a kind of loss or expense, therefore, it should be written under expenditure side. The opening stock, that is stock at the beginning of the year 16,000. The value of sports material purchased is 84,000. Therefore, the total sports material must be available is 1 lakh. But what happens at the end of the year, when it was checked, the stock was only 10,000. What about the remaining? The remaining amount of sports material was used. Therefore, 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000 is only sports material consumed or used. In the balance sheet, what must be written? The closing stock of sports material must be written on the asset side because it is the stock of an asset that is written here. That's all regarding 14.